Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I'm going to show you how to convert your Pinterest account to a Pinterest business account. So let's start. First, open the Pinterest app. When the app is opened, you have to go to your profile by tapping on the profile icon on bottom right corner. Then tap on the settings icon on top right corner. Then tap on account settings. Now scroll down. And here you will see Unlock Business Tools options. Now tap on Unlock Business Tools. Now tap on Convert to Business Account. First, you have to give your profile a name. Then tap Next at the bottom of the screen. Now you have to enter your URL of your website. You can enter that or you can skip this process. I'll just tap on Skip this step. Now you have to select a category. Since I have named it Bistro, I'll select Local Service and then tap Next. And if you want to run ads, then select Yes. If no, then select No. I'll select Yes. And then tap Done. And your account is now converted to a business account. Now tap OK. And then tap Next at the bottom of the screen. Now Pinterest will ask you how you want to start. You want to create a pin, create an ad, or explore your profile. I'll just go with Explore Profile. And your Pinterest account is now converted to a Pinterest business account. So if this video helped you out, then don't forget to leave a like. I'll see you in the next tutorial.